Hey everyone, did you know that you can actually earn cryptocurrency without investing a single dime? In this video, we're diving deep into 3 proven methods that can help you generate passive income in the crypto space completely free. We will talk about strategies that anyone can use regardless of your experience level. So, let's get started. Let's kick things off with airdrops. Now, if you're new to the crypto space, airdrops are basically free tokens that new cryptocurrency projects give away to their users. Think of it like a marketing strategy. They want to get the word out about their project, and what better way to do that than by giving away free crypto? Remember Uniswap? Yeah, the decentralized exchange? They airdropped their UNI tokens to early users. At the time, those tokens were worth around $1,300 each. Fast forward a year and guess what? Those same tokens were trading at over $11,000. That's almost a 10 times return just for being an early adopter. So how can you get in on these airdrops? It's actually pretty simple. First things first, you need to be active in the crypto community. Follow projects you're interested in on Twitter, join their Telegram groups, and subscribe to their newsletters. You can use airdrop aggregators. Websites like Airdrop Alert or CoinMarketCap have lists of current airdrops. That's where they usually announce these airdrops. Next, be ready to complete some simple tasks. Sometimes they might ask you to retweet a post, share a link, or fill out a form. It's usually pretty straightforward stuff. And here's a crucial tip: act fast. Airdrops are often time sensitive and there are usually limited tokens available. You need to choose the right wallet for airdrops. Hot wallets or cold wallets. Hot wallets? Here are their advantages. Hot wallets such as MetaMask and Trust Wallet are connected to the internet, making them convenient for participating in airdrops and managing tokens. They allow for quick transactions and easy access. Their disadvantages: since they are online, hot wallets are more vulnerable to hacking and phishing attacks. It's crucial to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Examples: MetaMask is great for Ethereum-based tokens, while Trust Wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Now, cold wallets. Advantages: cold wallets like hardware wallets, for example Ledger Nano S, Trezor, are offline and provide enhanced security for long-term storage of your tokens. They're less susceptible to online threats and phishing scams. Disadvantages: cold wallets are less convenient for frequent transactions and airdrop claims. They require physical access to the device and might involve a more complex setup. Best for once you've received your airdrop tokens and want to store them securely, transferring them to a cold wallet is a good practice. Of course, as with anything in the crypto world, you need to be wary of scams. Always double-check the official channels of the project to make sure the airdrop is legitimate. And never ever give away your private keys or seed phrase to anyone. Next up, let's talk about bounties. Now, this is where you can actually put your skills to work and earn some serious crypto. Bounties are essentially tasks or jobs that cryptocurrency projects need help with, and they're willing to pay you in tokens for completing them. Think of it like freelancing, but in the crypto world. You could be writing articles, creating videos, translating documents, finding bugs in their code, or even just spreading the word about their project on social media. The best part is, there are bounties out there for all skill levels. So whether you're a coding whiz, a graphic design guru, or just a social media savvy individual, there's a bounty out there for you. Now, to find these bounties, you can check out platforms like Bitcoin Bounties. It's a dedicated platform that connects projects with bounty hunters like you. You can browse through the available bounties, choose the ones that interest you, and start completing tasks. Just like with airdrops, it's crucial to do your research before jumping into a bounty program. Make sure the project is legitimate, has a good reputation, and the tasks are clearly defined. You don't want to waste your time and effort on something that's not worth it. And here's a pro tip: build a strong online presence. Having a portfolio of your previous work or a strong social media following can increase your chances of getting selected for more lucrative bounties. All right, now let's move on to something a little more fun: CryptoGames. That's right, you can actually earn cryptocurrency by playing games on your phone or computer. There are tons of blockchain-based games out there that reward you with tokens for your time and effort. And the best part is you don't need to be a hardcore gamer to enjoy them. Take TapSwap, for example. It's a simple and addictive mobile game where you literally just tap the screen to earn tokens. The more you tap, the more tokens you collect. It's that easy. The key to success with crypto games is to find one that you genuinely enjoy playing. Don't just jump into a game because you think you'll get rich quick. Treat it like a fun side hustle, and you might be surprised at how much you can earn. As always, be cautious of scams. Make sure the game is legitimate, has good reviews, and doesn't require you to make any upfront investments. Remember, the whole point is to earn crypto without spending any money. That's a wrap on how to make money from cryptocurrency without investing. The links are in the description. If you found this video useful, please leave a comment below. It helps us reach more people and improve our content. Feel free to share your own experiences or ask any questions you might have. Remember, the crypto space is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay informed, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With a little bit of effort and the right strategies, you can start building your crypto portfolio from scratch. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your crypto endeavors, and see you in the next video.